Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to pay back Robinhood margin in 2025. If you're trading on Robinhood and have dipped into margin loans, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First off, what's a margin loan? It's basically borrowing money from Robinhood to buy more stocks than you can afford with your own cash. It's handy, but it comes with interest and risks, so paying it back quickly is key to avoiding extra fees. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head to the Account section and check your margin balance. This will show exactly how much you owe, including any accrued interest. In 2025, Robinhood might have updated interfaces, but the basics stay the same. Look for a dedicated margin dashboard. Step 2. Decide how to repay. The simplest way is to deposit funds directly into your account. Go to the Deposit option, link your bank, and transfer the amount needed. If you don't have cash on hand, consider selling some of your investments. Just be cautious. Selling at the wrong time could lead to losses. Next, monitor your payments. Robinhood allows you to set up automatic transfers or make one-time payments through their platform. Keep an eye on interest rates, which could be around 5 to 8% in 2025, depending on market conditions. Always aim to pay more than the minimum to reduce your balance faster. A quick tip: avoid using margin if possible, as it amplifies both gains and losses. If you're new to this, consider reading Robinhood's updated guidelines for 2025. They might have new tools for debt management. Wrapping up, paying back your margin loan is straightforward with a plan. Take action today to keep your portfolio healthy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.